You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? Let's learn once and for all how to pronounce this name. I know many people get confused by it, but there's no reason why. You're going to learn how to pronounce it. If you want to learn more, stay tuned. English pronunciation, Garrett. Alright, it's a G sound. It's not Garrett. I mean, it might be said Garrett sometimes, maybe in the UK. Are you from the UK? Let us know in the comments if you pronounce it Garrett. It's generally pronounced as Garrett. Garrett. Stress on the first syllable. Garrett. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon and thanks for watching.